Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another exciting product that I would like to share it with you guys, and this is in collaboration with Silky. I know it's kind of interesting how they call it Silky. So this is what it looks like. By the way, I already opened the box because I was so excited to see how it looks like. But yes, I am going to be showing to you. I actually received 3 products from Silky, and first and foremost, I would like to thank them for sending me these items, and I'm really excited to use it. And by the way guys, if you're brand new to my channel, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. And by the way, for those of you who haven't heard about Silky brand, let me just tell you a little bit about them. They offer tons of products. They have a lot of categories. They also have pajamas for couples, men. They have a gift guide, bedding, and dresses for women. So let me just go ahead and click one right here. As you can see right here, they have tons of items to choose from. So they also got a lot of sale going on at the moment. So these are like the bedding and things like that. So they offer free shipping on orders over $59, as you can see from here, and they also do a easy returns that can be made up to 30 days, which is cool. So these are the items and things like that, which I think it's very nice to have. They also look so comfortable. To be honest, I'd like to try them all. I wanted to have them all. Okay, so yeah, so I actually received 3 products, by the way. So this is what it looks like, guys. By the way, I've got a medium size. It's really soft and it's really nice. It's really comfy. I received a camisole sets. This is the spaghetti strap. And what I have in color, this is in the color of pink. It doesn't really look like a pink, but it's kind of like a dusty pink for me. So this is what it looks like. And it also has these adjustable straps. It's a very thin spaghetti strap. And it's so soft and silky. And this is the shorts one. And as you can see right here, it has a ribbon. It's not adjustable, by the way. If you are thinking if it's adjustable, no, it is not. It's only a ribbon attached to it, because just by looking at it, it kind of looks like it's adjustable, but it is not adjustable. It's only a design for this one. It's only attached to it. But the strap itself, it's a very stretchable garter. So it's pretty nice. It's pretty cool. And they've also sent me this eye masks. And the strap over here, it's adjustable. So you can adjust it to the size of your head. It has a cushion inside. So it's really soft. And this is the pillowcase. Let me just grab a pillow, by the way, really quick, and I will be right back. Okay, so now I grab a pillow, by the way. Let me just go ahead and put this on really quick. It's color pink and it's so nice, and I can't wait to use them. There are also a couple of benefits on sleeping on silk pillowcases, which is wrinkle prevention, skin soothing relief, hydrated skin. You will also experience smoother or healthier hair, reduced frizz, less breakage, fewer tangles. So there's one thing that I would like to try to identify if it's pure silk or synthetic ones. So to identify the texture, I'm going to do is I am going to squeeze them tightly, and if it leaves marks, then it's pure silk. So I am going to squeeze it now just to show it to you guys. Squeeze it tightly. Let me go leave like maybe a few more seconds. And then let's see. Yeah, there you go. So basically, there will be always certain imperfections, including the handmade nature of the material. And one more thing to identify if it's a genuine silk or if it's an artificial silk is for you to take a little thread or a piece of cloth. I wanted to take some thread out of this one, but I don't want it to ruin it. One thing you can tell is that when you take a piece of cloth and you have to burn it, and if it smells like a burnt hair, then that's a synthetic ones. The real ones, it doesn't smell anything. So that's where you can tell if the silk is genuine. And of course, pure silk, it's costly. The monetary value always comes into play when it comes to spotting the real silk. You know, one great about having to have a silk sleepwear or silk pajamas is that they help the skin retain its moisture through the night, prevent wrinkles, and protect the skin from scratchy cotton bedding. So I guess that's one great factor and one great benefit to have silk sleepwear. Okay, so now I've already tried them on, as you can see on the camera earlier. This is what it looks like, and I have this pillowcase. It is so perfect and it's so nice. And I have this sleep mask, by the way. This is what it looks like. It is adjustable. I don't want to wear it right now because I don't want to try them on, because I have my makeup on and I don't want it to ruin it. I don't want to stain it, because when you go to sleep you don't want it to have any kind of residue, makeup residue on your face. And it has the adjustable straps right here. It's adjustable. So yeah, I would like to thank again Silky for sending me all of these products. I am so excited to use them more in the future and purchase more products in the future. And yeah, by the way, I have a discount code. It's gonna be in the description box below. You can go ahead and use that code for extra discount if you're planning to purchase their products in the future. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit that like and bell notification below to get notified for future videos. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!